suspense over Maharashtra Chief Minister continues. Sources suggest that it's almost certain that Devendra Fadnavis will be the next CM, and the BJP has got the approval from the central leadership. On 25th of November, a senior BJP leader from Delhi informed Eknath Shinde over phone about Fadnavis being the next CM, after which on 26th November, despite many efforts, Eknath Shinde had to resign. In the next 2 days, BJP's central monitoring team will come to Mumbai and will complete the formalities of electing Fadnavis as Legislative Party leader. Sources also suggest that Shiv Sena may be given important ministries like finance and revenue in the new government. Meanwhile, Ajit Pawar can become the deputy CM again. Now, Eknath Shinde has also offered to become the deputy CM. Now, if Eknath Shinde does not agree to become the deputy CM, then he can be given a place in the central cabinet. A new government may be formed by the end of this week. And according to sources, the swearing-in ceremony will be a grand event in Mumbai. Meanwhile, the Shiv Sena on Tuesday gave an interesting tweak to Prime Minister Modi's election slogan, Ek hai to safe hai, as it continued with a strong pitch for Eknath Shinde. Sena leader Manisha Kayande tweaked the popular slogan to Eknath hai to safe hai, suggesting that the ruling Mahayuti of BJP, Shiv Sena and the NCP is safe under Eknath Shinde.
नाराज है, उनकी नाराजगी दूर करने की आवश्यकता है। उनके बारे में महाराष्ट्र को बहुत बड़ा आदर भी है कि बीजेपी अभी मानेगी नहीं। मुझे लगता है भाई एकनाथ शिंदे जी ने थोड़ा सा 2 कदम पीछे आना चाहिए। जिस देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी 4 कदम पीछे आए थे, उन्होंने उनके नेतृत्व में काम किया था। तो एक तो एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने एक तो डिप्टी सीएम बनना चाहिए, या फिर अगर डिप्टी सीएम बनना उनके लिए ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन केंद्र में मतलब उन्होंने मंत्री बनने के लिए आना चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा सुझाव है। और उसके लिए जरूर माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी, अमित शाह साहब विचार करेंगे। इस मंत्रिमंडल में मेरे पार्टी को एक मंत्री पद मिलना चाहिए, इसी तरह की मांग मैंने पहले भी की थी।
Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me for more. Shweta, good morning. Quick question. What are sources indicating? Who could this go towards? And more importantly, who's ahead in this final race?
Well, absolutely. As of now, the front runner for the CM post of Maharashtra is, of course, the potential name Devendra Fadnavis. When it comes to Eknath Shinde, we are seeing the kind of pressure tactics that is being played by the Shiv Seniks. From Varsha Bungalow to various temples, these supporters are gathering large in numbers and praying that Eknath Shinde should become the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Nevertheless, comes the crucial point where our highly praised sources inform us that there are 2 offers that have been given to Mr. Eknath Shinde. First is about taking the DYCM post, that's Deputy CM post, or second, getting a cabinet ministry at the center level. However, as of now, there are no sources to confirm that what exactly has Eknath Shinde accepted. Moreover, we are also understanding that Eknath Shinde has also pitched his son's name, Shrikant Shinde, for the post of Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. However, we are understanding that there are several introspection that is happening, and it is yet to be revealed that who is going to be the CM face for Maharashtra. We are seeing that the kind of political slugfest that continues, and within 2 to 3 days, it is anticipated that the oath ceremony can take place. But with this, we are given to understand that the Shiv Sainik, on the other hand, they have retweeted in the way they have changed Ek hai to safe hai PM statement to Eknath hai to safe hai. That clearly calls for the kind of response what Shiv Sainik are giving from their side and the support which they are giving to Eknath Shinde for the CM post. But the last name has to be decided, and it is yet
although you're
not
getting us
confirmed
those interesting points, and have to interject you, but thank you for helping us understand what sources are also indicating. But who will ultimately cross that final race? It's a matter of time that we'll know, and we trust you to keep us ahead with the same. For now, we leave the